Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's not just trending, but fundamentally shaping our future: artificial intelligence. Specifically, we're going to explore 10 compelling reasons why adapting to AI isn't just a good idea. It's becoming an absolute necessity. So, grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's unravel this together. First up, let's talk about efficiency and productivity. Think about it. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up our time for more complex, creative, and strategic work. Imagine spending less time on data entry and more time innovating. Businesses leveraging AI are already seeing massive boosts in their output, streamlining operations and cutting down on mundane work. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about augmenting our capabilities and making us more effective. It allows us to focus on what humans do best: critical thinking, empathy, and creativity. Secondly, AI offers unparalleled access to insights and data analysis. We live in a world overflowing with information. Trying to make sense of it all manually is like trying to drink from a fire. AI, however, can process vast datasets in seconds, identifying patterns, trends, and correlations that would be invisible to the human eye. This capability empowers better decision-making across every sector, from finance to healthcare, helping us understand complex problems and formulate more effective solutions. Adapting means we can harness this power to gain a competitive edge, whether in our careers or in our businesses. Our third reason is innovation and problems. AI is a catalyst for groundbreaking discoveries. From developing new medicines faster to designing more efficient materials, AI helps us tackle some of humanity's biggest challenges. It can simulate scenarios, test hypotheses, and even generate novel ideas that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. By embracing AI, we open doors to new solutions that can improve our lives and our planet in ways we're just beginning to imagine. It's about being part of the next wave of human ingenuity. Fourth, consider enhanced personalization. In today's world, consumers expect tailored experiences. AI makes this possible by understanding individual preferences and delivering customized content, products, and services. Think about your favorite streaming service recommending shows you actually like, or an e-commerce site suggesting products perfect for you. This level of personalization isn't just convenient. It creates deeper engagement and satisfaction. For businesses, adapting to AI means building stronger relationships with their customers. For individuals, it means a more curated and relevant experience in an increasingly noisy world. Moving on to our fifth point: job evolution and new career opportunities. Yes, some jobs will change, but many new ones are emerging. The rise of AI creates demand for AI developers, data scientists, ethicists, AI trainers, and prompt engineers, roles that didn't even exist a decade ago. Adapting to AI means upskilling, reskilling, and positioning ourselves for these exciting new career paths. It's an opportunity to grow, learn new valuable skills, and stay relevant in a rapidly changing job market. This isn't a threat. It's an invitation to evolve your professional journey. Sixth, let's talk about improved safety and security. AI plays a crucial role in protecting us, from enhancing cybersecurity defenses to identifying fraudulent activities and even predicting natural disasters. In autonomous vehicles, AI can react faster and more consistently than humans, potentially reducing accidents. By integrating AI into our safety protocols, we can create more secure environments for ourselves, our communities, and our digital lives. It's about leveraging technology to build a safer, more resilient society. Our seventh reason is accessibility, and AI has incredible potential to break down barriers. Think about AI-powered translation tools that connect people across language divides, or assistive technologies that help individuals with disabilities navigate the world more easily. Screen readers, voice assistants, and predictive text are just a few examples of how AI can empower broader participation and make information and services available to everyone, regardless of their circumstances. It's about building a more equitable and inclusive future for all. Eighth, we have resource optimization and sustainability. In a world facing environmental challenges, AI can help us use resources more wisely. It can optimize energy grids, predict crop yields to reduce waste, manage supply chains more efficiently, and even design more sustainable materials. By applying AI to environmental issues, we can work towards a greener future, making better use of our planet's limited resources. Adapting to AI means becoming better stewards of our environment. Ninth, AI fosters continuous learning and adaptation. The world is changing faster than ever before. AI tools provide us with instant access to vast amounts of information and personalized learning experiences. It helps us stay informed, acquire new skills, and continuously adapt to new challenges and opportunities. For individuals, this means lifelong learning becomes more accessible and engaging. For organizations, it means staying agile and responsive in a dynamic market. And finally, our 10th reason: preparing for the future. AI isn't a fad. It's a fundamental shift in technology that will continue to evolve and integrate into every aspect of our lives. By understanding, embracing, and adapting to AI now, we are positioning ourselves to thrive in the coming decades. Those who resist will find themselves increasingly left behind. It's about proactively shaping our future, rather than passively reacting to it. It's an exciting journey into what's next, and we all have a role to play. So, there you have it. 10 powerful reasons why adapting to AI is not just beneficial, but essential for personal growth, professional success, and societal progress. This isn't about fear. It's about empowerment and opportunity. What are your thoughts on AI? Are you embracing it, or do you have reservations? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your support truly helps us grow and continue creating valuable discussions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.